Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's session. And today I'll be running us through how to calculate beta factor using the regression analysis on your Excel. So so we just need to run some data analysis using Yahoo Finance and then in investing NG to get some data that would help us to run our analysis. So you need to first of all log into Yahoo Finance, which is uk.finance.yahoo.com. Then, as you can see on my screen, you just need to search for your company of choice. So let's say, for example, I want to use Tesco. I'll search for Tesco. So it's gonna give me data for Tesco. Then I'll click on because I'm trying to like get the share price data of Tesco. I'll just click on historical data and then I'll filter the period I want. So I want to use I need the monthly frequency, and then I want 5 years interval. So what else I need to do? Then I'll just apply my filter. So with this, I can easily download the data I need from Yahoo Finance. Also, I would need the FTSE 250 data. So I can either choose to get it from Yahoo Finance, or let me go to investing.com. So on investing.com, you log into uk.investing.com, and also you search for FTSE 250 because I need FTSE 250 returns. FTSE 250. So FTSE 250. And then also I'll try to apply the filter that I need to get those data I want, so I don't get irrelevant data. So I'll click on historical data. Yeah. So then I can apply just the same way I did for the Tesco data I got from Yahoo Finance. So I'll use monthly as well. So, but I need to be sure of the dates I want to use. So I need to look at what I downloaded on the Tesco data to know how well the date is being arranged. So I'll open my file. So this is what I downloaded from Tesco. So this is what I downloaded from Yahoo Finance for Tesco. And mind you, I don't need the open, high, low, and close figure, so I can just hide them. Yeah, I don't need the volume as well. I can hide this. So I can make this Tesco, share price, yeah, Tesco share price. So I can see that it's starting from 1st of July 2019 up until 1st of June 2024. So I want to apply the same date as well on my FTSE 250 data I'm trying to get from investing.com. So I'll go back to investing.com, apply that date. So that will be from 1st of July 2019 up until 1st of June 2024. Apply. So I've applied that. Then I can also download the data. So then I open it. So once I open that, the only information I need here is the FTSE 250 price. So I can just download that, just pick that, copy that, yeah, then paste it to my Tesco information as well. So I can call this. So the essence of you looking at the date is so that you have the same data for all the dates that you need. So that it's not that one data is above the other. So I'll name this FTSE 250 returns. I mean, price, share price, share price. Yeah. So let me try it back. Um, Try it back. So now I need to get the returns of Tesco. So I would say Tesco returns, and also FTSE return. FTSE returns. So then just try to organize my data to make them look variants. I'm just trying to organize my data. Yep. So to get my returns for Tesco and for FTSE 250, all I need to do is to subtract this minus this. No, just a second. That will be this minus this. Yeah. So I'll apply it all through. Yeah. So once I do that, I do the same as well. Just this minus this. Then I'll apply the same all through. Yeah. Okay, so I'm taking that back. What we need to do to get our returns for Tesco and FTSE is you divide your new figure of the share price by the old figure, so you get your returns. So you apply it for everything. That's it. So you apply the same thing. So that would be your new share price for FTSE divided by the old share price of FTSE. You get your FTSE returns, and then you copy it and paste for the rest. So now with that, we have share price for Tesco. We have Tesco returns. We have our FTSE 250 share price, and then we have our FTSE returns as well. So all I need to do is to I'll show you how to get the beta factor in two ways, just to be sure that your beta factor is the right figure. So I'll do it manually first, which is calculation of covariance of our share price of our price and returns. Yeah, we do the covariance for that. Yeah, and then we also calculate the VAR, the variance of our returns, market returns. Just watch as I apply the formula, and then we get our beta factor. We get it. So now I'm doing this is the first way of getting the beta factor. So how do I get my covariance? I'll apply the formula covariance of our sample. So our sample will be the Tesco returns. That's our first sample. Use your comma to separate the array1, and then the array2 will be your FTSE returns to get your covariance. So we've gotten the covariance. Then we need to also get our variance, which is our variance for FTSE returns only. So we have that here. So our beta factor would be variance divided by our VAR. So this will give us a beta factor of 0.06. So this is what we need to take note of. So this is the first way to get a beta factor. And now we can now do the second option, option 2. What's that way? Option 2. Option 2 will now be that I need to use my data analytics tools on Excel. So you click on data, and then you click on data analysis. So you come to regression. So this is the option of you using your regression tool analysis on Excel to get the beta factor. So you click on regression, click on OK, and then you need to check for your input range for Y. So my input range for Y, it will be my test score returns. So I'll take it from the top, regardless of the fact that there's nothing in the first cell. So you take it from the top. Then for the input X range, you also take it from the top for your foot-through returns. Foot-through returns. Yeah. And then you click on label, click on your confidence level. And then you click on your output range. That is, where do you want the regression analysis to appear on? So I want it to appear just right here for me. I'll click on that. And then what else do I need? I'll just click on OK. So now it gives me the regression analysis, right? So how do I confirm that my beta factor is the same thing using my option 2? So you see your coefficient here. Your coefficient here, so your coefficient here is the same thing as the initial first option we did here, which means that our calculation is correct. So the beta factor for this analysis of test score is what? 0.06. So this is this simple way to get your beta factor using regression analysis. And also, if you don't want to use that, you can try the first option of trying to use the formula of covariance divided by your variance to get your beta factor. I hope this video is really helpful for you. So if you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, try to do so. And this video, I'm sure, is going to help you in terms of your financial data analysis. If you're a master's student in the UK, or whichever you want to work on a dissertation, you can actually use this analysis to work on your data analytics for your dissertation as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you again in our next video. Thank you. Bye.